Welcome to Avocado Place in Fallbrook. This is one of my favorite spaces in Fallbrook. There is not that many, and there is also not that many that are updated like this with no compromises. As you can see, you have a spacious living room with hardwood floors. You have an actual dining space. You have your AC. That way when you're cooking, you're not cooking yourself. You have all the modern appliances that you would expect. You move on to the bathroom. You have a modern setup. You have your full-size tub. You have a medicine cabinet. My favorite part of this apartment is the washer and dryer, because nobody got time to do any more of those laundry rooms. This is the bigger room. You have a big spacious closet with a mirror and enough space to fit a queen-size bed with a nightstand or a king-size bed with no nightstands. We're gonna move on to the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is almost the same size, has its own fan, so you can keep on cool. So welcome to Avocado Place and join us.